Citigroup or Harris? Which bank is right for you? In this video, we'll compare Citigroup and Harris to help you decide. Find links to both banks in the description below. Let's explore their key features. Citigroup is a global financial giant offering a wide range of services, personal and business accounts, credit cards, investments, and wealth management. Its international presence makes it perfect for those needing access to banking services worldwide. Citigroup's online and mobile platforms simplify account management, international transfers, and investments. Premium services like Citigold offer personalized financial advice and wealth management, ideal for high-net-worth individuals with complex financial needs or frequent travelers. Harris, part of a Canadian multinational financial group, focuses primarily on the Midwest and select U.S. regions. It excels in personalized banking solutions for small businesses, personal banking, and mortgages. Known for excellent customer service, Harris takes a local approach, making it a great choice for those who value personalized banking. Harris also offers competitive credit cards, home loans, and user-friendly online and mobile banking. While lacking Citigroup's global reach, Harris provides robust services for those preferring a local bank. So, Citigroup suits those needing global access and premium financial services, while Harris is ideal for reliable, community-focused banking. Check the description for more details and choose the bank that best meets your needs.